Thanksgiving is around the corner, and what better way to express your gratitude and love than with a luxurious piece of jewelry, beautifully wrapped? Today, we present to you 5 extraordinary luxury jewelry gift wrapping ideas, along with a complete DIY guide. Let's dive right in. Idea number 1, the classic elegance. For this, we start with a high-quality rigid box. Look for one that has a smooth finish and a deep, rich color like a midnight blue or a burgundy. These colors scream luxury and sophistication. The box should be sturdy enough to protect the precious jewelry inside. Wrap it with a thick, satin ribbon. The sheen of the satin adds a touch of glamour. Tie a simple yet elegant knot and let the ends of the ribbon cascade down the sides of the box. Next up, idea number 2. The rustic looks. Begin with a craft paper box. The natural texture of craft paper gives a rustic charm. But to make it luxurious, we're going to add some gold foil accents. You can find gold foil stickers or use a gold foil pen to draw delicate patterns like leaves or feathers, inspired by the Thanksgiving theme. Then, take a burlap string and wrap it around the box several times. Tie a small tag made of leather or vellum with a handwritten note. Idea 3. The sparkling spectacle. Select a clear acrylic box. This allows the jewelry to be visible from all angles, like a precious gem on display. To make it even more dazzling, we'll line the inside of the box with a glittery fabric. Silver or gold glitter fabric works wonders. Then use a thin, sparkly ribbon, like a rhinestone-encrusted one, to wrap around the box. Make a big, fluffy bow and attach a small crystal pendant or charm to the center of the bow. When the light hits it, it will create a mesmerizing display of sparkle and shine. Moving on to idea number 4, the floral fantasy. Start with a soft, pastel-colored box. Light pink, mint green, or lavender are great choices. Then, create a bouquet of artificial silk flowers. You can choose flowers like roses, peonies, or dahlias. Arrange them on top of the box and secure them with a thin wire or floral tape. Add some greenery like eucalyptus leaves or baby's breath for a more natural look. This idea is perfect for adding a feminine and romantic touch to your jewelry gift. Last but not least, idea number 5, the velvet opulence. A velvet box is the epitome of luxury. Choose a rich color like emerald green or royal purple. The softness of the velvet feels amazing to the touch. Wrap the box with a narrow, metallic ribbon. Bronze or copper-colored ribbon pairs well with velvet. Use a decorative brooch or a jeweled clip to fasten the ribbon instead of a traditional bow. This gives a regal and exclusive look to the gift. And there you have it, 5 luxurious jewelry gift wrapping ideas for Thanksgiving. With these DIY guides, you can create a stunning presentation for your precious jewelry gifts and make this Thanksgiving even more memorable. Happy wrapping!